Good.
So
Yeah, that's like a basic 2018 drivetrain.
Yep. So let's just go ahead and pop the holes in for edit part. Oh, file, save as, assembly, drivetrain. So let's see. Part. Okay, so we're gonna want to sketch. This is the fun part of all of this. You know, doing sketches on top of things. Does it not create a sketch? Okay, there we go. Because there's one thing that that SolidWorks doesn't have that that I really do enjoy from Inventor, which is the ability to project from one thing to the other, from one element to another. So then you're stuck playing this game of trying to find So then from that, I can just go out and make all my changes in the belly pan. So let's go back into the sketch. Okay. And then we know for sure that this is a linear sketch pattern going upwards. We can decrease this to 0, increase 1 here, increase this to 4, increase this to 1 inch, and that should be perfect. And then we should be able to just go ahead and mirror this. Construction geometry, and then mirror entities, mirror those across here, and then exit features, extrude cut, through all, and did it not through all, did feature through all both. There we go. Perfect. Okay, and then let's control save that, and let's check if it lines up in the. Yep, seems to line up. Seems to line up. Yep, they all line up. These top flanges, I want to make them maybe 2 inches long, just so that we can catch diesels. Yeah, let's go ahead and make those 2 inches long. 1.5 inches, actually. I don't have to be too crazy. Okay, perfect. And then let's throw part. Then let's start a sketch here. And then let's make these holes. Another way I could have done this is I could have just done the bottom two and then just linear pattern it all around into the four. Features, extrude cut through all. Perfect. And then I'm just going to make one last piece and this drivetrain is done. Which is our, how long was the distance between? 4.525. So file, new part, a sketch, plane. These are going to be the braces for the drive rail. So let's make them 4.525, and we can make them 3 inches. That looks fine. Sheet metal. This can be 90 thou. This does not need to be overkill. And then edge tab. They can be an inch. And don't forget your flanges. Alright, your fillets, I mean. And then just let's go ahead and make our holes here. Oh snap. Let's actually do this sketch. Biv. Sketch. 0.5. Okay, and that should be the center. It's 0.43, I think it is. 0.451 plus 0.43 divide by 2. Okay. 0.4405. You know what? Let's do it this way. Can I actually put this up above here now? Yeah, okay. Let's delete this, let's delete this. Then let's just go ahead and sync this up with the center. Oh, it was in the center. Okay. Construction geometry. Throw your rivets in there. Smart and mention it. Yeah. 0.196. Yep. Okay, and then smart to mention it off the wall by 1/2 inch. And then linear sketch. Let's say every inch. And let's throw 3 of those on there. Perfect. Let me just see what's it from here to here. Oh, perfect. Okay. So let's go ahead and extrude cut. Extrude cut through all both. Okay, and then let's control save that. Driverail brace. 90 thou. And then let's go in and put 4 of those in here. Assembly, insert components, Driverail base, 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, we can actually put this inside the drive rails themselves. So insert component here, just because if we place it in here, we can actually just place 4. If we place it in the drivetrain assembly, we have to place 8. So it's just much quicker to do it this way. Neat. Perfect. And then let's go ahead and meet this at the bottom. Flip. Perfect. And then this with this. Perfect. And then we're going to want to put this somewhere like right there. Okay. And then do the same over here. Meet this with this. Okay, perfect. And then let's see. Let's try and make these actually even on mates. So let's go ahead and mate this from here to here. at a distance of, what does 6 look like? What does 6.5 look like? 7. 6.5. Let's go ahead and do the same mate on the other side. Hopefully at 6.5 also. Let's look at it from here. I think that's good. And then let's just go ahead and punch these holes out. And then we should be able to just grab all these. Throw in 3 of them at an inch. Perfect. And those cut straight through. And then we got to do the same thing for this one. Edit part. And then and just doing it this way is actually much quicker, because instead of having to do 12 little circles, you just end up doing 5 processes. Um, that part features extrude cut through all, and wow, I really forgot to do it on this side too. Control save all. Close this, and then control save this, save all. And then we can go ahead and close these things. So that's how you make a quick and sheet metal drivetrain without a custom gearbox. Any questions?
No.
All right. So throughout this week, I'm gonna give you guys another ramps video that goes into designing through doing preliminary design through sketches, so that you guys can actually, it teaches you how to do the basics of your idea to make sure that you can actually package that idea into the constraints you have for that year. Um, and then I want you guys to, by next weekend, if you guys can possibly have those sketches done, um, a preliminary sketch showing me what you guys have, what your concept is, and yeah, so that's basically it for today.